Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of a recap. I purchased the Scion Frs wrecked one from a salvage action yard, and I gathered all the pieces needed to fix this car, and I took it to a shop that specializes in salvage cars. So in order for me to legally drive this car on the road, it has to be fixed correctly and obviously pass the inspection. If it doesn't pass inspection, then it's not roadworthy. It's kind of hard to find a shop that touches salvage title cars. A lot of shops don't even want to look at them. So I found the shop. I took this FRS, I'm like, hey, fix it, and they quoted me a month and a half to fix it. Month and a half tops. In the shop, it took them almost 6 months to get this done, and I wasn't happy with the car. So this is us returning the car. There's a lot of bad mistakes, and you'll see the pictures on the screen. And the video you're about to see is we're talking to the manager, not the actual owner, but I don't know, I wasn't expecting his reaction. Okay, somebody's in there.
Yep.
Hey, how are y'all?
Good, how are you doing?
Good with us? Huh? With us?
I hope so. Unless you're planning on charging us to fix it. Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, it's raining, and I wanted to show you guys.
Rick's not here right now.
Okay.
Take a look at.
Sure.
I saw the pictures and all.
Yeah. So it's kind of hard to tell since it's wet.
Yeah, I saw up under here.
Yeah,
It wasn't quite finished. Had the Bondo down there.
Yeah,
And
and
tank line, if I remember right.
tape line here. It's still really rough here, which I'm sure it's a super easy fix. And if you remember correctly, the door jambs was painted separately from the body. And there's also another harsh paint point right here.
We can take care of it.
Okay.
It's not an issue.
I'm not sure if that's the adhesive.
It is.
Stuff.
There's a couple like runs in the paint. It's kind of hard to see now because it's got rain all over it, but like one of these is not a drop of water.
No.
It's a run.
Yeah, I saw a picture where you had like I thought it was back in here somewhere.
There's
a couple of them, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's the one
And there's
it's on the
another
picture.
one up front that I didn't take a picture of, but I mean, aside from that, it looks okay. But yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, I showed the pictures of Rick. So get it back here. We'll absolutely take care of it. And
Yeah, that's my end goal. You know, I'm not super upset about it. I just want it done.
I think my mom was like the most upset person about it.
Yeah, her mom is ready to put on punch and gloves.
wow, here's one. We're always going to, you know, we're not making excuses. We've got a fairly new crew. We got Rick's plate overflowing.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
I figured you guys would be great to work with, so.
Because of the whole coronavirus, we got 2 people that hadn't come back because of they make my money stay at home. That's what it comes down to.
Yeah.
Yeah, gotcha. Well, I mean, you guys understand if you.
We absolutely understand.
Yeah.
And like I told you guys, our goal is always to exceed the customer's expectations, not meet it. I used to hear them go, "Oh, I can sell that customer." I won't do that.
Yeah.
That means you're not satisfied.
Yeah. Gotcha.
So, yes,
Cool.
we'll take care of it. It's not an issue.
Sweet. That was my end goal.
It was something about blending the paint into the bumper or something like
Yeah,
that.
I forgot the receipt at home, but I know we paid for blending on the fender to the door. I don't remember if we painted blending on these 2 guys.
It's like this one's all
Oh.
beautifully painted, and then that one's like it's there. But
It's a noticeably
There
different
is
shade, but
And I don't believe that was painted at all, if I remember
Okay.
right. Didn't y'all have, wasn't that the right color when it came in?
yes.
it was white radio.
Yeah, it was the right color.
So what happens is you got a bunch of variances, even though it's the same year, same make,
Yeah.
model, they got variances in paint. Even when you blend at times in bumpers, it doesn't, we can go inside and talk about
Okay, it's cool.
it doesn't work out.
Yeah.
You know, because it reflects different and all that, but we'll see what we can do to make it better.
Okay, awesome. Well, here's the keys.
Okay.
You want us to just leave it here? I guess you have the keys now.
Yeah, I'll just lock it up and we'll carry it around.
Awesome. Well, thanks for understanding.
We're sorry we didn't meet your expectations. So
You guys are taking care of it. Yes.
we'll take care of it. That whole coronavirus threw everything off, then we couldn't get it inspected. And,
No worries. Well, all right. We appreciate your time.
Thank
I
you for-
appreciate y'all. We're good at taking care of all y'all back.
Awesome. We'll keep in the loop. Well, thank you. Appreciate it.
Appreciate you guys. Thanks.
Yeah.
A worthy note, this clip's 2.5 weeks old, so I dropped the car off 2.5 weeks ago. I called them twice. I called them once after exactly a week after I dropped it off, and they said, oh, we've been shorthanded, you know, we haven't gotten to it, so they haven't touched it. I called them a couple days ago, exactly at the 2-week mark, and they said, we're shorthanded, you know, we're swamped. They haven't gotten to it, so it's been 2.5 weeks and they haven't really started on the car.
She said that she wants to take it back, but then she goes and takes it all. Telling me to pick up the slack, it's like I'm talking to a wall. All your opinions are a fact, there's only truth in your recalling all your lies.